Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to write an informal letter. Yes, how do you write an informal letter that will get you a better mark or a better score? First, when it comes to an informal letter, you should know that this, this letter is being written to someone that is not distant. This is somebody that you already know. You are conversant with the person, so you you are freely express yourself when it comes to this type of letter. So the first thing you're expected to know or to do is to write just one address, which should be at the top right hand of your book. Just one address, your own, the receiver's address. It just needs your own sender's address. So again, the address and the dates. So after that, you can dive into the introduction. In this introduction, you should be free. Yes, dear ma, dear mom, dear dad, dear ada, dear sis, dear bros. You are conversant with this person, so you are not expected to be tightened. You are expected to freely express yourself in the course of writing the letter. So after that, you will move to the introduction. Yes, how do I bring in my aim of writing? How do I tell this person this is why I'm writing? That is another thing. So while writing an informal letter, start by greeting the person you're writing to and then ask how they are doing, comma. How is everybody at home? Hope you are doing all right. How is the last hospital checkup you told me you'll be going for? How is that? How is business? I hope everybody is okay. Hope you have eaten your favorite meal. You have to. You are because you are conversant with this person, so you are expected to freely express yourself in asking some questions that you are supposed to ask because it is expected that you know this person. So after that, after the whole questions and everything, full stop, body of the letter. After the first paragraph that you have asked or you've done your pleasantries and everything, you now start writing your ideas, why you wrote, why you are writing the letter, your aim. That should be a second paragraph. I'm writing this letter to inform you, I'm writing this letter for this, I'm writing this letter for that, I am writing this letter, the purpose of this letter is to tell you, the purpose of this letter is to inform you, and all that. That is for the second paragraph. You are now introducing your aim. You are now telling the receiver, you're now telling the receiver of the letter that this is why you are writing. You are expected to use a friendly tone. Yes, because it is expected that you know this person. This is not a formal person, it's not somebody that is distant, it's somebody that you are conversant with. So you have to be free. Express yourself in the best way you can in writing. And again, I will say this, make use of simple English that the person will not have to use a dictionary before understanding some of your words. Don't make use of ambiguous words. Answer all the parts of the question. There's some letters that you'll be told to write a letter to your mom telling her about your new school environment and the rest of it. And most of us will write just about the school and forgetting that the letters or forgetting that the question you've been asked to write on has two questions. You will just write one part and leave the other part. That is another thing. Make sure to answer all the questions. Make sure to answer every part of the question correctly using plain English and your grammars. Make sure to use correct grammar and ensure to punctuate when you are supposed to do your commas, your T's, cross your T's, your full stops, dot your I's, and organize your words. Organize your words. Make sure that each of your words, each of your ideas are contained in different paragraphs. It will help the reader to know that, oh, this person has been thoughtful. He even had to organize them. He arranged it. It shows that you went to school. Learn to organize your words in each paragraph. Let each paragraph have a different idea on its own. Level is make sure that each paragraph is a different topic of its own. End naturally. Make sure to end naturally. Yes, end naturally. Like using greetings, extend my greetings to this person, extend my greetings to dad, to mom, to your sister, to my in-laws, and tell them that I miss them so much, and I'll be expecting their calls, I'll be expecting to see them, I'll be expecting their writings and all of that. So lastly, your complimentary close. Your complimentary close. How do you close this letter? Yours faithfully, yours affectionately, and the rest. Again, when writing, you can make use of slangs. I know you know what I mean by slangs. Understand, but please, it should not be excessively. You are free to make use of slangs, but not in an excessive way. Again, proofread your work. Proofreading your work should not be emphasized. Make sure to proofread each of your works. Proofread your works before submitting. Read your works again and again. Read it twice or thrice before submitting. It will help you to avoid some mechanical errors. Maybe you didn't dot your I's, you didn't cross your T's, you didn't capitalize, you didn't put some full stop where it's supposed to be, to help you to read and know what to do, know your errors and correct them. And when writing, make sure that you avoid cancellations. It makes your work tatter, it makes it rough. Avoid cancellations. But if you are to cancel, just a stroke is okay. A stroke against the word is okay. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.